everyone. Welcome back to Snap, Clap and Learn. We are continuing our journey of numbers. Today we will learn about place value systems. In the last session, we have learnt about journey of numbers from small to big. Today we will learn about how to read and write large numbers. Place value chart is a nice tool we have for this. Now first question comes to our mind, what is place value? What is place value? Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. And a place value chart can help us in finding and comparing the place value of the digits. Then it shows how many hundreds or tens or ones we have in a number. There are two systems for writing numbers. First is the Indian system and the international system. In Indian place value system, we have four groups called periods. They are units, thousands, lakhs and crores. We use commas to separate the periods. Periods have subgroups called places. They are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crores. 1 is written without a zero, single digit 1. Tens we write as 10, 1, 0. Hundreds we write as 1 with 2 zeros. Thousands 1 with 3 zeros. 10,000s 1 with 4 zeros. Lakhs 1 with 5 zeros. 10 lakhs 1 with 6 zeros. Crores 1 with 7 zeros. And 10 crores will be 1 along with 8 zeros. Ones, tens and hundreds make one period, that is the units period. 1,000 and 10,000 make a period, that is the thousands period. Lakh and 10 lakh make one period, that is lakhs period. And the last crore and 10 crore will make the period called the crores period. International place value system. It is followed by many countries in the world. It is divided into three periods, that is units, thousands and millions. Here the periods are divided into ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. So, commas are used in this system as 3, 3, 3. Here also, ones is written as 1 without a zero, tens as 1 with 1 zero, hundreds 1 with 2 zeros, 1,000 1 with 3 zeros, 10,000 1 with 4 zeros, 100,000 1 with 5 zeros, millions 1 with 6 zeros, 10 million 1 with 7 zeros and 100 million will be 1 with 8 zeros. In international place value system, ones, tens and hundreds make one period, that is the units period. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 make one period called the thousands period. And million, 10 million and 100 million will make the period which is called the millions period. Let us understand this with examples. So now if I write a number 197320162. How will we read this number? Very difficult. Shall we make it easy to read? What to do? We need to put commas according to the periods. Remember in Indian system, commas are to be put as 3, 2, 2, 2 starting with the ones place. So, our number becomes 19,73,20,162. from right when we read, it comes 261, 02, 37, 91. Isn't it easy to read? Let us take one more number. Now you should put commas. Your number is 567845621. Isn't it easy? The number becomes 56, 78, 45, 621. Now let us see how to write the number in place value chart and how to read it. Taking the same number 197320162, we will put it in place value chart. We will put it like this. One number in one column. We have to start from ones place. To read this number, we will read the number in periods and then the period name. So our number will be read as 19,73,20,162. In international place value system, we will put commas as 333 according to the periods. Let us take the number 197320162. After putting the commas, it becomes 197,320,162. Now, your turn to put commas. Your number is 567845621. Easy game, is it? Yes. It becomes 567,845,621. How to write the number in the place value chart? Again we will write one digit in one column, starting from the ones column. You can see one digit in one column. To read this number, again we have to read full number in one period and then the period name. So the number will be read as 197,320,162. Many times it comes in our mind that if we read a number in one system, how to read it in other system? So let us learn how to convert also. 1 with 6 zeros is read as 1 million. Now if we want to know 1 million is equal to how many thousands? What we will do? We will write the number that is 1 million, that is how many zeros? 6 zeros. So 1 with 6 zeros is 1 million, and how many zeros in thousands? In thousands we have 3 zeros. So in 1 million, from the right we will cut 3 zeros, and whatever the number is left, that is 1000, those many thousands are there in 1 million. Similarly, if we want to know how many hundreds in 1 million, again what we will do? We will write 1 million, that is 1 with 6 zeros, and we will cut 2 zeros from the right. So what is left now? Left is 10,000. So 1 million is equal to 10,000 hundreds. So we got to learn in today's session about how to read and write large numbers, place value charts, and conversion among different methods of numeration. Let us have some brain work for you now. Find the population of your city where you live and write it in both the systems of numeration. Now we know about the systems, Indian and international. How will you read that number in both the systems? Read and see. How many two-digit numbers are there in all? Similarly, find for 3, 4 5-digit numbers. You will get a pattern for these. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know how to like and you know how to subscribe. In the next session, we will be learning about expanding, comparing and ordering numbers. Bye.